Hello, it's me, Kylo Ren. And he talks more like this, Kylo Ren. That's a mess up. You're going to get forced joke. Okay, I'm just kidding. What's up? It's me, Kylo Ren with TarverAcademy.com. No time for this. Time to bring out the real lightsaber. That's right, a marker. Okay, so what we talk about right now is multi-step equations, okay? When you're solving multi-step equations, your goal essentially is to get the variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. So let's say this is our equation. 2x plus 3 minus 1x, which you would never write that, let's just put x, equals 4x plus 10. Okay? So when we solve multi-step equations, the best thing to do is focus on one side of the equal sign at a time. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms. Okay? So I'm going to put almost like a line here so that I focus over here. We want to combine our like terms. Can anything combine with 2x? Yes, x can. So 2x minus x. Do not forget the sign in the front. So many people forget that sign. So 2x minus x, that's essentially 1x. So it'll be 2 minus 1, which is 1x. Okay, so I got that. I'm left with this. Bring it down. Do not forget about that little guy. My equal sign. And then can anything be simplified over here? No, because it has a variable in it, and we can't add them together because we don't know what that x represents. So 4x plus 10. Now, you're going to reach a point in all your multi-step equations where you got to make a choice. Which side do I want to put my x's and then start simplifying, and which side do I want to put my regular numbers? Okay, because they got to pick a side. I always recommend people to put the lower x's over to the other side because there's less chance you'll have a negative in front of your variable, which always confuses people. So there's 1x over here, 4 over here. So I'm going to go join the side where more x's are. So to get it across the equal sign, you always have to do the opposite. Here, we did regular math. Over here, whenever we simplified those, combined like terms, we did regular math. Here, we are going to do the opposite to get it across there. So instead of a positive x, we're subtracting x. That goes away. I bring everything down, positive 3. Be careful about your signs. Don't forget about them. That's 4x minus an x. So you got 4 x's. You take one away, you got 3 x's. And then you got plus 10. All right? Now, we got to get our regular numbers to this side. So we're going to start with what's least close to the x. That was weirdly said, but you know what I mean. So I'm subtracting 10 for both sides. That goes away. That becomes negative 7 equals 3x. And then last step, what's the opposite of 3 times x? You divide by 3. This is a very ugly problem, but it's also a very correct problem. I'd probably keep it negative 7 over 3 because if not, you're going to have a decimal. So that's multi-step equations. I hope this helped. I hope that you learned, but I don't want to force you to learn. Okay, I'm sorry. That was bad. But I will force you to subscribe, so don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Later. Peace. Tarver Academy.